to go down there?
Yeah, after us.
You go first.
No, I'm waiting for you. I got it. So I know how to handle about damaging like the video audio and stuff. I want the reason why I'm getting close to you is I want if you fall, I can get on camera. I fall, I do like this night when I get ready to fall. I aim at my face. I didn't fall that time. I was showing him what I did. Hola, amigo! My name is Stefan. My name's Stefan. Keithan. Oh, damn.
Let's get it.
Yeah, stop it. I survived! Oh, damn. I survived it! Yeah! Ah!
Remember the one I did earlier?
Stop it.
Deleted?
Yeah.
I was doing good.
Okay, ready?
What?
You want to go down that hill?
This out.
Okay, well, let me go to the other hill. Okay, we're at a different hill. That's that one. Ready?
Can I go down? Okay, I get it.
What?
Actually, never mind.
Hey, go.
That's it. God.
Yeah. Okay, here we go.
Here we go. Let me see where I'm holding.
Oh, damn.
Watch this, guys. Oh, shit.
Oh, damn. Oh. Oh, someone needs someone.
What's your YouTube called?
Trapping fishing.
Trapping fishing?
Yeah. Don't forget to subscribe and like. Yeah. I'm laying down. Oh. Want to do that again, Ralph? Yeah. I'm pausing too.